Alright guys, we're going to be on our way to Unity Speedway right now. Looking forward to today. The weather is cleared up for the racing today, so I'm really happy about that. So we'll be racing today at Unity Speedway, and we're on our way right now, and we'll see you guys there. What's going on, guys? We made it to Unity Speedway. Weather cleared up. It actually rained a little bit when we got here. Had to load the car back up, and now it's back out. It's pretty sunny. It's really hot. It's kind of just like standing and you're just sweating already. So no, it's super hot one. It's cleared up, like I said, and should be good for the rest of the night. From the weather app, it looks like it's going to be good for the rest of the night. So, but no, we made it to Unity Speedway and looking forward into the night. Alright guys, we're going to be going out for hot laps and heat in the motor, and the heat race lineup is already posted. We will be starting third. They took top four to the redraw. We have 14 cars tonight. So yeah, no, we'll roll off third, but we're going to be going out for hot laps and heating the engines right now. So track, we're going to roll it in a little bit more, and we'll go out there and we'll see how we do for the heat race. Alright guys, we just went up for hot laps. We were super quick. You know, we obviously had some clean air for hot laps, so that made it a lot better too, so I can actually feel the car, and you know, from the hot laps we were pulling away pretty good. So no, we definitely have a lot of speed here tonight. Rolling off third in our heat race. So we'll have 8 laps, top 4 to the redraw, and then if we make the redraw, hopefully we can get a good starting spot and good redraw, so we can start up more up front. So we can start more up front for the A main. I think, like I said, we have 14 cars, so with them taking 4 and 4 from each of the heats, we have 2 heats. The worst you can actually start is like 8th, but we definitely don't want to be there. We've been in the back, you know, starting back there pretty much all season, so I think, you know, it'd be a lot better to, you know, get a higher starting spot. You know, I would like to have the front row, or at least the second row or something like that. It'd be a lot better, so we can maybe get some better clean air and maybe get, you know, to the lead. But we have a good chance here in this heat race. Hopefully you know, track plays a favor with me too, and we'll get her done and transfer on. But yeah, we're rolling off third in the heat. guys. 4th place in our heat race there. Not what I really wanted. I mean, we still made the redraw, but I'm a little disappointed. It's just hard to pass out there as well. I mean, you could run multiple groups. It just felt like that, you know, either group that you ran, it was about the same, but the bottom is pretty rough. The top was, you know, okay, but when I got past on the bottom again somehow, and it was super rough. Like I said, on the bottom, about like all 4 of my tires came off the ground, so I was like, this is crazy, you know what I mean? So it is what it is. I think they're gonna be grading the track for the feature, so I'm gonna go up there and check that out and see what we can do. We're rolling off 7th out of 14 for the main event tonight, so not too bad, but not where we want to be. So we're just having to drive hard and kick some butt tonight, and try to get up to the top 3. If I can get a top 3 tonight from where I start, I'll, you know, be really happy with that finish. So in that performance. So so far we're actually gaining some pretty good points tonight. So far of what I can see. So that's pretty good. But we're rolling off 7th for the A main, and we'll see what we can do. What's going on, guys? Here for the recap of Unity Speedway. Not too bad at all. We had a good, really good points night there. We were really fast on hot laps. I think we were like third quick in hot laps. Our heat race, we were the fastest car in our heat race. Ended up getting fourth there. Started third, got fourth. Then for the feature, we went out. We started seventh. Not too bad of a finish. We got top 5. Motor was just losing power. We were 2 cylinders down when we went to check, so yeah, it was clogged up there. My fuel filter was a little clogged up as well, so that would honestly do the trick of why my motor was losing power. But we got that all fixed up and cleaned up and ready to go for the double header on the 9th and the 10th. One at Airborne and Devil's Bowl. The 9th is Airborne and then the 10th is Devil's Bowl. So, but no, looking forward to that. Glad that we got everything fixed and ready to go. Everything's tuned up and ready to go. So, super looking forward to the 9th and the 10th this weekend coming up, and we'll see what we can do. And hope to see you guys there. And thank you for watching.